utilizing Cicada electric motor, and it's a latch connection, so I'm using Zimmer type screwdriver from the surgical kit. Posterior areas where it's hard to reach with a traditional screwdriver, even the short one. So that's where this instrument becomes really handy, and it has a setup for RPMs and also torque values, and needless to say it can go forward or reverse direction. So today we're uncovering implant number 18. We always put some antibiotic gel on the healing abutments and other components just to seal the chamber of the implant and to prevent bacterial contamination. We always check the percussion. And it's very nice and loud sound, which means the implants are fused with the bone and there is no fibrotic tissue around.